Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What is that in my throat? Anyways, let's get right along with this. Okay, so I did ask you guys on my social media, okay, my Instagram, if you guys wanted me to buy and test out the Fenty Beauty Concealer. I was in Sephora the other day. Hate going in there because I have to buy so many things, you know what I'm saying? So I was looking at the concealers and I was very intrigued. I never buy concealers that expensive. I literally use the Age Rewind, okay, because this just works and I just love it. Tati Westbrook got me on this, and I just never would have bought anything that people are like, girl, yes, try it out, you know, we want to see how it works for you and things like that. This may be a kind of backwards type of video because I have been trying this out for a week. Okay, so I've been trying this product out for a week straight, wearing it every single day, and I also have worn it from 6 in the morning until like 12 at night. I want to come on camera so you guys can see the packaging, what it looks like, see me apply it and blend it out and things like that, and then after this I will give my commentary. So if you would like to know how it applies, keep watching. Okay, so let's get right into it. This is what the packaging looks like. Like I said, I did buy this myself. This wasn't sent to me or anything like that. I think this was $22 or either $22 or $26. It was one of them. I'll leave the link down below, but it looks just like that. Nice, cute, chic packaging. Now the color I got was $3.40. I was in the store swatching, trying to find a color. I didn't want anything too light, and it's so many colors. That's one thing that I love about this shade range or whatever, because just the colors, okay, the colors of the foundation, the colors of the concealer, and then the way that they had the display inside the place. The concealers were behind the foundation, so that way you can match them up if you would like. Thought it was pretty good, pretty cool, so they put a lot of care into it. So I did get this color. Now you see the packaging is like this stained glass like look, okay? So let me take it out. So this is, and the packaging is really close to what's in the tube. Sometimes you can get two different colors, but this is what it looks like. Kind of looks like a little lip gloss wand, okay? So this is the color that it is on my hand. All right, and it was some foundation on my hand, and I'm also going to show you guys what color I use for my current concealer shade. Okay, so here's my current $5 concealer. I think it's like $5, $5 or $6, and this is the Fenty, okay, 20, a little over $20. Okay, so they're kind of similar. I would say the Fenty's is a little bit more subtle than the one that I use on a daily basis. Mine is a little bit more yellow that I use. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and start applying this. I do have a mirror down below, so I'll be kind of looking down a little bit. And I'm just going to apply this like I usually apply my my concealer, okay? Now it is very soft. I didn't even smell it. Kind of smells like paint that you would paint your house with. That's what it kind of smells like. It's a very faint smell though. Nothing, I am applying way too much. Nothing like too wild and crazy. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. It looks kind of dirty, but it's actually clean. It's just a little stained, and I'm going to blend everything out, you know, just like I normally blend everything out. For a full makeup routine, I will include some makeup videos underneath this video, along with the links of products that I use and that I always use. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna blend it out, and this is dry. I don't use a wet sponge to blend out my makeup. Okay, so it is really it's creamy. I would say you gotta work with it just a little bit to blend it out. As y'all can see, the concealer does set pretty fast, so you have to make sure you work fast with it. A good way to get it to move around a little bit more is to add some setting spray. Like, wet your beauty blender and everything should be okay. At first I was freaking out because I was like, this concealer is not moving, but it was an easy fix. Okay, right, guys, so this is the finished look of the Fenty Beauty Concealer. I've been wearing this for a full week. I just wanted to, I never did record myself putting it on because I wanted to give it a good go. I didn't really want to do like a first impressions thing and then come back at the end of the day and then tell you guys how it worked out for me. No, it's been a full week of me wearing it every single day, and I have a pretty good review of it. I feel like I can give my pretty good opinion. Let me move this mirror over. So looking closely at it, I have a mirror right here. I am going to tell you guys, and if you see like some dry patches on my face is peeling. So anyway, besides that, I am going to say this concealer is a very, very matte like concealer. Okay, which is crazy because I've never had a concealer like that before. It's not a good thing, then again, it's not a bad thing. So you want to make sure that if you're going to use this concealer, you're going to use a really good moisturizer with it. Okay, I have combo skin, and I go in with some of this Tatcha moisturizer before I start my makeup. And that's kind of what it looks like, and it does pretty good. Okay, so you want to make sure that you do not have to, a very big pro of this concealer, you don't have to set this concealer. I haven't had a concealer like that in a really, really long time. I wish this concealer was out back in the day when I didn't really know anything about setting and I was walking around with my stuff creasing all over the place. But since it is so matte and it dries down so fast, and it does dry down fast, you don't have to set it. But with that being said, of it drying down fast, you got to go ahead and work with it. Now, that's not a big problem because all I did was go in and wet my beauty blender with a little bit of this. Any kind of setting spray will work. You just go in and wet the beauty blender because I did have a dry sponge. Okay, so please keep that in mind. My sponge was dry. But anyways, go in and wet the sponge, and then you're able to move it around like you want to. I love how it looks so natural. Like, I love that look. This looks even, I would say, better than my cheap concealer that I get from Walmart. It looks really, really good. Okay. Now, it is more on the higher end side. This is $20+. I'll put the price up somewhere, but this is $20+. I don't know. If you would like to try it out, I would say try it out. It is a really, really good concealer. I can say that I do like it. And as for longevity, I can say that this lasts for a really, really long time. I know it's going to be kind of yucky or whatever, but I did take a nap one day. I got off work early, and I laid my head down and I napped for a while, and the concealer stayed intact. I haven't noticed a lot of, and I'm looking in the mirror, guys, I haven't noticed like a lot of creasing or anything with it. A lot of times I will get creasing in my smile lines really bad. I noticed that those aren't really exaggerated. Also, under my eyes aren't really exaggerated. Okay, so I love that. I really, really do love that. I feel like it just brings my makeup together, and the fact that they have so many colors and they have such a wide shade range, it just makes things so much better. My cheaper concealer does not have that many shades, okay, so you know, keep that in mind too. But like I said, I can say that I like it. I think that that is a storm going on outside. I would say that it is pretty good. Give it a try for yourself. If you haven't tried it out, let me know what you think about it. How do you feel about it? What do you guys think? Does it look good on me? Like I said, it's pretty good. If you feel like spending a little extra coin, I would suggest buying it. Now, I'm going to use this whole tube up. Is it going to be something that I continue to purchase? I don't know, because it is kind of expensive or whatever, in my opinion. Now, some of y'all may be chump change, but it's a little bit more expensive in my opinion. But let me know, would you try it? Why or why not? Have you tried it? Just let me know your experience. And yeah, I will be sure to get back with y'all. See y'all in my next one.